We have successfully changed the name server at GoDaddy. We got those name servers in our email and we have changed them. Now our domain, the DNS settings are now managed by our hosting provider, which is MilesWeb. Let's get started how to install WordPress, like how to access cPanel and install WordPress and get our welcome page ready for the website. Let's go here. So right now, if I write my domain name, I just type drishtifoundation.com. It shows me a 404 error, but yes, it has successfully moved to our hosting provider MilesWeb. Let's start configuration. When you go to your MilesWeb account, you will find different hostings which you took. Here, let's go to this drishtifoundation.com, which was the Tyro plan. We took it for 200 rupees monthly and it's active. Click on cPanel. Once you click on cPanel, go down and check with the scripts. It already has a Softaculous app installer, so you can directly install WordPress on your site without downloading it from wordpress.org and uploading in File Manager. So let's go ahead. I clicked on WordPress, click on Install Now. So here it is showing the version, which is current version 5.4.2, which is the latest version. Here it's showing that where it will install WordPress script, drishtifoundation.com. It is installing right now by default in a directory which is WP. Let's remove this because we just want it on our website. The main page, when somebody types drishtifoundation.com, we are installing WordPress there. In case you want to just test or install on a different link, which would be drishtifoundation.com/staging or /test, then you can type in here. Right now we are taking it to the main site, so we are already seeing the domain here. So I'm just writing the site name, Drishti Foundation. As of now, I don't have any description for my site, so I am just putting, or I'm just writing, I'm just repeating the same information, or you can change in case you have some description. The site would be of what. It is asking me for a username and password. This will be for your website where you will install WordPress, from where you will do the changes. It has nothing to do with your GoDaddy login or your MilesWeb login. It would be a complete new login which we have to create. So here you can create your username and password. I'm just creating my username and password, and later I can change as well. Try not to keep a very easy password. Try to have something nice which somebody cannot guess. Do not put your name or something very easy. So as of now I am putting admin and I am generating a password. So I'm generating a password and hiding. As of now, I'm generating a new password. I am copying this password. This you can change it anytime when we'll create another email ID, say info@the Foundation. As of now, I'm just putting it to be info because later maybe we create info, not admin. Let's go ahead. I want all the installation details on my email ID. So I am typing my email ID. You can type your personal Gmail ID. Whenever the installation would take place, it will give you all the details there. I am just again copying my password so that I know my password, what it is. I'm just seeing and copying it. Just find it. Go ahead, click on install. So installation has been successfully done. Now it is saying that WordPress has been successfully installed to your website. Let's check. Here you see the WordPress by default 2020 theme, which shows WordPress is now installed. Before installing, we were seeing a 404 error, that page not found. Now you can see WordPress is fully installed. Let's access the backend. You have to type /wp -admin. You will see another login window. I had put my username admin. I have my password, which I already had copied. Login. Okay, I think, but I already had saved. Let's see with the password. I'll just check with the password and put it again. I'm just trying the password which I had already. Okay, I already had it changed. I'm just typing in the password again. I had saved it. I'll just check. I found my password. I'm logging in. You can use this extension LastPass to save your passwords. Here I am able to see my dashboard, which is my WordPress dashboard. I already have installed my WordPress from cPanel. Now I don't need this, so I'm just putting a cross. All we now need is our WordPress dashboard, which I can access through drishtifoundation.com/wp-admin. And by default, I am seeing a basic theme installed, which is 2020 from WordPress. That's how we install WordPress. Let's see in next video how to configure a coming soon page.